Okay.
Good afternoon, sir.
Very good afternoon.
So I thank all the three professors for good interaction and good presentation regarding the situation. And of course, we got so many clarifications. But I have few things to discuss with you, sir. One, which is few days back, Higher Education Minister has announced, and earlier, I think previous NAC director has given one point to finalize the calendar of events for 2019-20 and 2021 together, so that academic time can be reduced. So that we have to now look into the two academic calendars we prepared now. 2019-20, of course, for the current semester, and 2020 and 21 if we plan now, I think we will be able to complete the 2-year calendar, and the time can be adjusted so that the vacation period can be reduced, and even the internship can also be organized.
Okay.
And another
we'll
point,
look at it about the vacation. This time it is zero vacation, no vacation to the staff.
even I am interacting with the students through online classes with all the teachers, almost 30 to 35 classes I have attended, and I am interacting and mentioning all these issues to the students. They also raised about internship for 6th semester. I told them internship can be done even before the completion of your 8th semester, even between the break of 7th and 8th semester can be done. There will not be a problem.
As per the regulations, no problem, and we have also indicated today they can do it from home.
Yes, sir, yes, sir. Some of them they can do it, but others may be difficult, but they can do it before the completion of the course.
Sure.
And regarding they have another one. So since they could not do complete test, IA test for first, second and third, so how to finalize the IA marks, they had a question. I told them whatever the IA we are going to conduct, so we are going to consider that, and also assignment given to you will have a good weightage. This time you have to now complete all the assignments, whatever the teachers are going to give it to you online, you complete and submit it. So we are going to consider IA and assign your test, whatever we conduct, maybe one test, two tests, and IA will be considered to finalize your IA marks. Assignments will be.
That's fine.
And
See, this internal, continuous internal evaluation is to assess them over a period of time. Okay?
Yes.
As the star mentioned about it, so you are doing online, right? So you can give them assignments, you can take their seminars, you can take MCQ, one test you have conducted, and another test you can conduct. Maybe, you know, if you are not comfortable in conducting all of them, what the university is suggesting is when they come back, you can conduct one for the
Yes.
topics covered, and so that you can finalize
IA marks.
within the. So that is
Yeah, and even
the proper assessment and properly assessing. See, I request all the principals to direct your faculty members to assess them impartially. That is more important. Assess them properly based on their understanding of the classes or whatever knowledge you are given. So be impartial, be uniform in your activities, and try to evaluate through digital interventions. And let's see if you have time. When they come back, you can conduct one or two tests or whatever it is. You can be soft on this.
Yes, internally we can take care of all those things. And regarding the lab examinations, also I told them, so already about 50% lab experiments are completed. Once you resume back, we will be doing few more experiments. We will conduct the examinations for the experiments which you have completed, and also you have mentioned it, important 75% of lab exams will be taken for examination, 25% as a demonstration.
As I discussed already, I have clearly mentioned that you conduct 75% of the important experiments. Based on that, you conduct examination. The remaining thing you demonstrate and show it to them.
So regarding the theory examinations also they had, because many students they could not even attend online classes completely, and remotely placed students they are unable to log into the systems. And
Let us not repeat. So let us
yes,
not
no,
waste.
one more suggestion regarding that question paper setting. So earlier we used to do for 8 questions, answer any 5. Can we do it with 5 modules? and giving questions for all the 5 modules, answer the 3 or 4 questions and distribute the marks for 3 or 4 questions. Then the students who have lost some of the portion where they could not learn, they will have a benefit out of that. So 3 questions out of 5, 3 modules out of 5, and distribute the marks for that.
That is the reason I have asked your opinion on question paper pattern. We will consider.
Yes, this is the one suggestion I am giving, because only this is a one-time measure.
Yeah, this one-time measure, I had to go before authorities, so therefore I am seeking your opinion, that's all.
Yes, sir, it is my opinion, sir. It is good so that the students will have a comfortably, they can complete the examination without a fear of losing any marks. So time given, of course, they will completely time. So what is the time? One point they were asking, sir, how many time, what is the date, period we get once we resume back completely to the college with authorities, the time given. What is the time period? Maybe 2 to 5 weeks, you said.
Yeah,
Is it
4 to
fine,
5.
sir?
Yes, yes. 4 to 5 weeks.
And some department having a problem of the completion of the project work, semester student, especially mechanical, civil, electrical, like that. So other computers.
We will give sufficient time. Yeah,
Yes, sir.
1 month to submit.
So maybe after the theory examination, they can be given some time so that they can present the project later.
Yes, absolutely. That's why I said not to insist on fabrication extra during lockdown period. Let the
Yes, sir.
let the college first.
So even regarding their other issues, we have clearly interacted with all the students. We have convinced them there will not be any problem. We will see that what best advantage can be given by the university and higher authorities will be given to you, and you will have a only learning point of view online, and they are all learning well, and the attendance is good, and I am attending even most of the classes.
Very nice. So thank you. Clearly the message should go to the students that there is going to be examination. There is going to be a preparatory period inside the college. There is going to be a time given to submit their project work, etc. So no ambiguity, no information should reach. And now I request the principals not to repeat the questions or the clarifications already given. Something new. If you have some new questions, you have to put on and be precise and quick. Yeah, thank you, Professor Govindaraju. Next.
Thank you, sir. Thank you. Have a nice day.
ಸರ್ ನೀವೇ ಇದ್ರಲ್ಲಿ ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ಓಕೆ ಮಾಡಿ ನೀವೇದ್ರಿ ಸರ್ ನೀವೇದ್ರಿ ನಿಮಗೆ ತಗೊಂಡ್ರ
ಸರ್ ಹಲೋ
Yes. Professor Veeradhar.
Sir, how hello sir.
Hello, please go ahead. Please go ahead.
Hello.
Veeradhar.
Sir, with respect to scholarship, sir, we are being told that scholarship will be sent through VTU, sir. If it can be done faster, it will help us, sir.
No, that we are not talking about. Scholarship, it is through portal only. Directly to the college students.
The reason I am bringing to your notice is when we are asking them, they are saying it will come through VTU.
No, I don't know what they have said, but we have no information on that.
Okay, sir. Okay. Thank you, sir.
Thank you. Yeah. Professor Krishnamurthy. Yes, go ahead, please. No audio. Professor Krishnamurthy, we are not able to hear you. You are not audible. Yes, please go ahead. Yes. Yes, go ahead, please. Go ahead.
75% of the syllabus we have completed, sir.
Okay.
Another 25% is remaining.
Yeah.
Now we will complete that in another 20 days.
Mhm.
Students will be left with, they will be idle now. So university can be directed to do AICTE activity fund. And if we can release the regulations of BE honor, students can be told to do online courses and credit can be given so that they will also earn BE honors.
Okay.
Honorable Vice Chancellor of the team, sir, the present scenario, we are optimistic. Maybe we will start the class.
Yeah, we are all optimistic. It's all provisional. It is fine. You are talking about additional courses for B honors. That will be from 5th semester onwards. So it is not going to be useful now. For rest other branches, it is not there. So it is only for the students now who are in second semester. Right? Fourth semester. So 18 scheme, 4th semester. We start from next academic year. And activity points, yes. You have all the freedom to do that. Activity points, yes. But with the digital intervention, do not allow them to go out of this. Do not stop. You can either conduct quizzes or online examinations. You give some model question papers and conduct examinations. And also you can revise the topics, give additional problems. So somehow students should keep. I know the digital platforms coverage of syllabus will be faster, but we have another almost a month's time till May 3rd. Let's see what happens. But please keep them academically engaged in whatever activities which university has prescribed. Absolutely no problem.
Digital evaluation, instead of asking colleges to undergo applications, evaluation applications, and students directly do that on the video platform.
Now that we have seen, it requires modification. Now we are not in a we don't have time to modify our program. We have tried that. So again, it will be experimental basis. Again, it will take time. Next time we will do that. We have tried that option. Yeah.
Yeah. Next question. If you can have a plan B, suppose now all the policy makers are playing, and we can debate and what is
I read the circular from AICTE today. It all depends on what direction you get from Government of India and Government of Karnataka. And Government of India is waiting for the task force report on examination reforms and academic calendar.
Yes, sir. Like you said, the practical 75% if you conduct important experiments, can you
Yes.
think of reducing 25%, removing 25% syllabus? Only for the presentation, sir.
We are not removing, you demonstrate. You demonstrate them. You demonstrate them.
Yeah, correct, sir.
And we will conduct practical examination this time after theory only.
Yes, sir. Like the theory also, if you can bifurcate some of the topics which are not important to the viewers, that can be
Theory you already covered 100%.
we have covered, sir, but
Yeah.
for the rural
Now,
colleges,
my sincere advice to all the principal is to reach those students who are not able to. During this period, you reach them. Please reach them. Let's see. Okay.
the last question, sir. Instead of leaving those who are not able to reach, those who are in villages, at least conduct WhatsApp classes, WhatsApp conference or classes, so that
That's what I said. Each teacher should connect with WhatsApp or what is that group? We said no. So, Telegram. WhatsApp or Telegram they must use.
And valuation also, we can think of number of generating 12,000 scripts. Same system other colleges can be given, and every
We
examination.
will definitely consider PNMI. Farmer register evaluation. Yeah, we are taking care. We are taking care. Yeah, quickly, Professor. Please do not repeat these questions. Yeah.
Sir, good evening. You have covered everything, sir. The only one suggestion from my end is, whether we think of conducting online examination for 8th semester, that is with MCQ, sir, multiple choice questions.
See, this MCQ, online examination, whatever it is, they must come back to your college, right?
Yeah.
You do not have technology wherein they can take the examination from wherever they like and then also monitoring them or all those kind of things. Except I think Cognizant, no other company have the technology.
Even TCS conducted during the recruitment time, TCS conducted online test.
Online test, otherwise the recruitment test I have seen, either TCS or Wipro, they are all supervised.
Okay, right, sir.
Therefore, when you are supervised, whether you conduct your theory exam for 3 hours, it doesn't matter much.
Okay, sir, right, sir. That's what came into my mind. I suggested it, sir. Thank you, sir.
Yes, good.
Thank you, sir.
Yes, Amija, please. Namaste, please go ahead. Hello, yes, please go ahead.
Sir, any guidance for
They must follow the guidance already given.
no, sir, regarding this timing, sir.
Whatever guidance we have given to the affiliated colleges are applicable to you also.
Okay, thank you.
And this time you may not be able to conduct the supplementary semester.
Yes, sir.
Yes. Yeah.
No, sir.
Maybe you have to compress. Yes, please.
No, sir.
Sayadri.
Yeah.
Yes,
Can
please
we
go ahead.
increase, can we change the distribution of the PMRs? We have now for the regular test 75% and for the quizzes and other things 25%. So can we change the weightage? Should we give more weightage for the quizzes what we had? We had now 30 plus 10. So can we make it T plus 10, something like that?
This assessment procedure, as I said, it is not mathematics.
Yeah.
It is continuous interval evaluation. You are under a special circumstances, and we have given you the liberty.
That's
You
correct.
assess partially, assess them as per their learning. Okay?
Okay, okay.
Yes.
So, Namaste.
Namaste. Please go ahead.
Yeah, so I have a few points to tell regarding conduction of each semester examination and lower semesters. In the Moodle as well as in the Zoom classes, we have already completed around 60%, 3 modules we have completed, and 2 modules are remaining. In view of this, as of now, the reopening starts from 4th May, let us assume. Probably my suggestion is to conduct exam for each semester from 15th June, and in 15 days we can complete theory as well as the project work. Even the internship, both things we have already completed almost online. And for second to 6th semester, I hope it is better to continue from 15th July onwards. That is why one.
That's what I told, no?
Yeah. Regarding counseling and mentoring, we have been doing that. So regarding, I am requesting, as you have suggested, why don't we think of distributing to each colleges, distributing some numbers into each college, and work can be get done at earliest, because you can avoid the movement of the evaluators from one place to another place. And we are ready to take up that work, and if you tag up any institutions to our institutions, we are grateful to you, sir.
Yeah, thank you. Yes, we'll definitely do it.
Thank you. Thank you.
Yes, RNSIT. Yes, Professor, go ahead. Professor Karnataka. Yes, yes, go
Good
ahead.
afternoon, sir.
Very good afternoon.
It was nice interaction. Yeah, it was nice interaction with Ren. I got a couple of queries or clarifications. So there are 5 modules to be covered in every subject. Can we have the last module as a self-study material? And we can have 1 to 4 we following the same pattern of the examination book, so that we will not be against the regulations. The last module could be mix up of all modules if possible. So that we can cover 4 modules for sure.
Yeah.
If only 3 modules, if the students may take it easy, they may not study. And so there is one internship Viva OC for final year. Can we make it joint internal evaluation, so that there won't be any need for an external examiner from an industry?
External examiner will be from your college.
Sir, am I audible?
Yeah, audible.
Sir, am I audible?
See, yeah. Hello, Professor.
Hello?
See, the first part is, anyhow you have covered the entire syllabus.
Sir, can we have, with regard to the ideas,
Yeah, please.
with regard to the idea assessment, can we have the best of 2 tests as final marks?
No best.
Percentage of best of 2 tests can be considered as idea marks?
See, that will not be a continuous internal evaluation. See, you have been given liberty this time to evaluate
No,
transparent.
other components are there.
Yeah.
Ah.
Yes. Because,
Yes,
see,
sir.
if you give more
So I would
time.
request a register evaluation. I would request
Okay, please go ahead.
Can I go speak, sir? Sir,
Yes.
I would request a register evaluation. Yeah, I would request a register evaluation not to use the previous question papers for the 8th century examinations. There is one sincere request from our side. Sir,
Right.
2 of our faculty members have submitted the project, Mega Innovation, and for the under the MHRD challenge. We did not know that we could also send a copy to university, sir. If you wish us to do, we will do it, sir.
Yeah, please do it.
We will abide by the regulations of university from time to time. We will support you fully, sir, in the context of COVID-19, sir.
Yeah, it is. Yeah, thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you very much.
Sir, good afternoon, sir. This is Dr. Narendra from CDV College, Singapore. Thank you very
Yes,
much for
Professor.
the interaction. Sir, thank you very much for the interaction. Sir, I have
Yes.
a few points which literally goes by Mr. Venkatesh from RSIT and Govindraju and also others. Sir, because we come from sort of semi-rural, I should say, Singapore, only 70% students are doing the online. So we may need to have probably even after lockdown is over, institute does.
We will definitely have 4 to 5 weeks intervention, Professor. Except for the final year. Final year maybe 2 weeks. Hello, Professor. Hello. We'll come back. Yes, Shimoda.
Sir, good evening, sir. I have 2 questions. One is that regarding the syllabus, as Professor Venkatesh mentioned, I request you to consider the 4 modules and the remaining 1 module may be self-study. You can consider number 1. Number 2, as per AICTE, as you mentioned, we said we should not collect the fees from the student. We will agree with that. But the other part is that students are asking, they are not in a position to pay the examination fees because of the economic condition of some of the parents. They are asking the university to waive the examination fees, main examination fees. So I request you to consider that request, then do needful.
Please do not make such requests. Without examination fee, university is unable to conduct examinations. It cannot happen.
Because many of the students are writing to me saying that they are in a rural area, they are economically hit, and then many of the students.
See, this examination fee is a very nominal one.
Sir,
And please do not you discourage them to talk like that. And without that, university cannot survive. You cannot pay the remuneration. Can teachers forgo remuneration? If all the teachers forgo remuneration, I will not collect the examination fee this time. Can teachers forgo a remuneration fee? Will all our
this is one of the things which the students are, asking, but anyway, so.
Yeah, please tell them. Please tell them. It's not possible.
And that we don't know, sir. Yeah.
Kindly tell them. Kindly.
Regarding the CAE, so because they have not conducted any test, internal test, because in the given duration, for example, if you get 3 or 4 weeks, so please give us the direction how many tests we have to conduct, and so that we will complete the test.
Now you complete the online process, keep one test.
Okay.
Yeah, you conduct the test, quiz, MCQ, assignments, whatever online. Maybe if you want to test them, they are learning. When they come back, you can keep one test pending and conduct it at that time.
Okay, sir. Thank you, sir. That's all from my side. Thank you.
Thank you. Yeah. Architecture, yes, please.
So, good evening, sir.
Yeah, good evening.
Being a very small component of the VTU, half the time we have not actually interacted with you personally. But there are a couple of things I think the teacher from Nitesh School has already mentioned on the thing.
Yeah.
We have almost finished 80% of the portions. Some of the subjects 60%. We have got some subjects which have got a studio component, sir, like building construction and our main architectural design studio. That is very difficult to conduct online because it needs a one-on-one interaction. However, most colleges are already trying to do that. So like you said, we will need at least 4 to 5 weeks of time once the lockdown is ended and colleges begin to get our students prepared to take up this duty.
Correct.
And like you have proposed for engineering, we also have an external and internal examiner coming and doing it. So I don't know if you will propose the same thing, that both the examiners would be from the same college.
Engineering means architecture, management, all included.
The other thing, sir.
Yeah.
Okay. No, sir, but like our training, practical internship is for 16 weeks.
Mm-hmm.
So, and as per the ongoing syllabus program, they are supposed to do it in their 9th semester, and they do their thesis project in the 10th semester. Now, because of the lockdown situation, students are not able to apply to offices. Offices are not also responding to them. So, as this one of the BOS, yes, we have made a recommendation to you, sir, that only for this batch, if the practical training can happen in the 10th semester and their architectural design thesis project happens in the 9th semester. I think the chairman BOS has sent you the recommendation, sir. Please do go through it and do consider this for the benefit of the students.
Now we will look into it. Regarding this School of Architecture, there are a few mails and complaints I can say that teachers are insisting them to submit in the form of hard copy. So the students are facing regarding the lack of stationaries. They are not able to get the dry shades or whatever stationaries is required. So therefore, for the time being, if you are teaching through CAD or whatever it is, ask them to submit online a soft copy. Later on, when they come back, you can ask them to submit the other details. They can print it and submit later. So that kind of provision.
We can make this provision, sir, but there are two phases to it. The junior classes are not very adept with CAD and all. They have to do it manually only. It is the senior classes which we can accommodate for what you are saying, sir.
you do it like that for the juniors. When they come back, you can conduct a crash program on it.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Thank you, sir. That is it.
Thank you. Yes.
Good afternoon, sir.
Very good afternoon.
We have given a detailed information as well as action plan for the after the lockdown period. Now the only thing is this is with respect to only the autonomous institution. Already I have given the answer. There is already the fast track, more than system, only the particular this particular year. As well as there is one backup exam also. There are two additional apart from this other autonomous systems. One is the backup exam, one is the fast track. I think both should be cancelled for this particular time because of this program, so that you can overcome all the problems. Otherwise, because no vacations will be there. No vacations will be there. And immediately the next semester classes will be started with art semester. I request this for all the autonomous institutions, better cancel this makeup exam as well as the fast track.
I think I request all the autonomous college principals to write to us on this. Please mail your opinions to the registrar. Yes.
This is the only remaining answers.
Yeah. Yes. Thank you, Professor.
Good afternoon, sir.
Yes, Professor.
Good afternoon, sir.
Yeah, very good afternoon. Please go ahead.
Sir, you have mentioned that the students will. You said the students will apply for evaluation through the faculty members of the department.
Yeah.
They have to collect the exam fee once they come back.
Yes.
So the details of exam fee they have to pay will be with the department.
Yes. No, with the principal.
With the principal.
Yeah.
Okay, sir. So you have elaborated almost all the points. Thank you very much, sir. We have had around 80 queries by the faculty members. We have almost answered all the queries. Thank you very much.
Thank you. Yeah. Professor Gayatri Reddy. Hello, madam. Please go ahead. Yeah, Jyoti Institute of Technology.
Good afternoon, sir.
Yeah, very good afternoon.
Good afternoon. Sir, I just wanted to know what about the PG classes, sir?
PG also. Yeah, PG also will have similar scheduling. We'll try to finish 4 semesters early.
Yeah.
Backlogs, then 1 to 3rd semester, second semester later.
Okay, sir. Thank you so much, sir, for all the clarifications.
Thank you.
Thank you very much, sir. Thank you very much.
PG I did not mention, correct. Yeah. Aditya Chunchandani Institute. Yes, please.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Yes, Professor, please.
Sir, is it not possible for the university to use the old question papers which were set earlier, at least for some of the subjects, so that we can save time, university can save time?
No, we will always have the question bank. We do not read old or new. We pick up one from them. For a given scheme, Professor, for a given scheme, you will have more number of sets. Okay. Only now what we are suggesting is to change some instructions at the top. So therefore, yes, sir.
A lot of information has been given to students, notes, everything, but information is not hard. So I feel we don't know the effectiveness of online learning. So
Yeah,
only
yeah.
when they come back, we need to take feedback from the student, and accordingly we should go. That is my
Yeah.
view.
It is a challenging one. Definitely, it's for the first time. It is a challenging one. That is the reason why, almost all the vice chancellors are of the opinion to have the classroom teaching for 4 to 5 weeks, especially in professional universities. Unless you call them back and streamline them, it is very, very difficult.
This is the first time, that's why we are finding some difficulties also.
Yeah, yeah. And this time results also have to be analyzed properly. We need to know the COVID effect. We need to know the digital interventions. Many things we can, draw many conclusions based on the this coming semester examination results.
Only we can see, we can understand the effectiveness of online classes.
Sure, it's a good suggestion. I would rather request all the principals to have some attributes on this and circulate a Google form or whatever form you design and try to have a feedback, please. And a summary of that maybe please be sent to the registrar. Yeah, it's a good suggestion. Yes. Yes. Yes, Professor, any other question? Clarification? Okay. Detail. Yeah.
Sir, Adrian Technology Bangalore, sir. Sir, can you hear me, sir?
Yeah.
Hello?
Yes, please go ahead, Professor.
Sir, namaskara.
Namaste.
You have touched upon almost all the points, whatever the doubts I had here. But at the same time, the area foundation is taking care of the lives and livelihoods of the people who have been suffered for this COVID-19. In fact, 1,50,000 free meals per day we have been serving to the needy across the university.
Okay, congratulations.
And our foundation has been supported by the Adria Power, Adria Convergent Technologies, Adria Technology, and so on and so forth, sir. Our founder, chairman, Sri Sundaram sir, is very magnanimous, and he is serving for the mankind at this difficult time. This is very information.
Okay, thank you.
And a large number of students across the our state, those who have been studying our campus, are asking us to release their e-pass scholarship amount. For about 500 students, whatever the amount they have been received from the government has been released to them immediately. We have released their amount.
Okay.
E-pass scholarship, sir.
Okay.
E-pass scholarship. We have released to them. And then we have our own excellent platform to teach online. In fact, we are able to reach around 75-80% students. Around 20% we are able to reach because of they have been staying in their villages because of the low bandwidth. And we are sharing our lecture notes, material, and then we are teaching online all the days, and we have shared the timetables as well and along the schedules. I am also part of that activity. Every 2 days once I am conducting meetings with my HODs, and I am also informing them clearly that how exactly we need to take care of this. The report on this is also submitted to the research, both the research and meetings.
Okay. So thank you very much.
All our MBA students are from urban areas, no issues. We are able to reach 100% students.
Okay, sure.
So
try to the students who are in rural area.
Yes, and also we are sending them to WhatsApp and email actually.
And
WhatsApp and email.
Ask the teachers to call them over the phone and ask them to study and clarify their doubts.
Yes, and also I thank you especially because we have called all the principals and inquired about the principals as well as take care of the students and counsel the students. We are really grateful to you, sir. Okay.
Thank you. So congratulations. That's your management one. And done. Vishwanath Rao. Okay. Yeah. Okay. Professor Katti sir.
Hello, sir.
Hello, namaste.
Hello. Hello. Hello, audible, sir.
Yes, audible.
Namaste, sir. Namaste.
Yeah.
Sir, my one request that all our academics and evaluation patterns should not get diluted because of this. Maybe there's only this time span which has to be taken care of, but rather truncating the syllabus or truncating the IMRs or truncating the examination pattern. Let me request the authorities to see that. So we go ahead with all these things. Maybe it is because of this the small thing that has happened, because our students should not get affected. It is this batch. So this is one request that I wanted to just convey. And other than that, when the things reopen, so let us have a small period wherein we can refresh all our students with the academic curriculum that are being undertaken online by almost all the institutes, through the YouTube channel or the online classes, webinars and other things. So the students are enjoying all these activities. No doubt this is a new kind of thing that is happening. So except the few the branches, so we need to give small leverage wherein they should be allowed for the hardware exercises that have to be undertaken.
That's what I said.
Those things are taken care of, and I think we can overcome all the issues of this COVID-19.
Okay.
These are my suggestions to the university authorities.
You not truncate any kind of thing. The whatever suggestion the university has given today is only some softening points. And intervention, classroom intervention is a must. It is a must. So that is the reason why I said 2 weeks for final year, because there are 4 courses and they are matured enough, and I think all the colleges have reached to them. Regarding their project work also no dilution, we will give them time after the completion of theory, a month's time to complete their thesis and take up the examination. Okay. And other thing is regarding the intervention to classroom intervention to other semesters, 2nd to 6th. Yes, it is going to be compulsory 4 to 5 weeks. It is going to be compulsory 4 to 5 weeks of stay in the college. Then only we will conduct the examination, theory exam first, practical examination later. Okay. So thank you. Next. Yes, Professor Siddharam. Audio. Unmute. Professor, unmute.
Yes, sir. Good evening. Good evening, sir. Is it audible, sir, now?
Yes. More than.
Hello.
It is audible to my.
Good evening, sir. Good evening, sir.
Good evening.
Okay, sir. Sir, in fact, I had many questions, but most of the things have been clarified. Even some of other principals are also asked, and you have given all the clarifications. Thank you for all that, sir. So my one doubt is, once the lockdown is over, maybe by 3rd of May or whatever it may be the time, it depends on the situation, but they may going to lift the lockdown with certain conditions. Sir, we have told that once to manage all that hygienic conditions, tunneling, mask, and the social distance. But the issue is with respect to the social distance, especially in the college while conducting the classes, and also how to manage in the hostels. Because we have already given for the 2 to 3 people, and all that, how these kind of issues can be addressed. That is my worry, sir. Once everything is fine.
Yeah. See, it is only under normal circumstances. Yeah. When everything is normal, then only colleges will be reopened.
Sir.
Colleges will be reopened only when normalcy is restored.
Sir.
Then only we can take with all that,
Okay, in the sense, even everything is fine, then only, nothing is, sir. So,
but precautionary health hygienic, it has to be continued. I think even during this complete year we have to do this.
Okay. Then it is fine, sir. Then it is fine.
Okay. And also the other.
No, the thing is, sir, so usually if the lockdown is over, if the intervention period, so when.
Correct. I understand.
Hello? Not audible, sir.
No, we understand your question, Professor.
Sir, is it audible now, sir?
Yeah. Audible.
Sir, my concern is, you are giving 2 weeks intervention period for this final year and 4 to 5 weeks for the second, fourth, fifth, sixth semester. That is fine, sir. That is required and it is very much needed. But the issue is, if the lockdown period is over, then these 2 weeks or 4 to 5 weeks will be there, available to us. That is important for us now. Immediately after the lockdown is lifted or everything is normal?
See, please, listen to me carefully. See, when government permit us to reopen colleges and hostels, then only all these things are possible.
Okay, sir. Okay, then fine, sir.
Even during normal period, we are expected to maintain cleanliness and the COVID directions, whatever it is given. And these things will continue for 4 months in this whole globe.
Okay, sir. Fine, sir. I understood now. So if everything is normal, then okay, sir. I understood the things. Thank you, sir. Thank you very much.
Thank you.
Hello.
Sir,
good afternoon, sir.
Yes, please.
Good afternoon, sir.
Very good afternoon.
Very good afternoon. This is regarding, sir, good afternoon, sir. Every point is cleared and whatever you said we are following.
Okay.
I need clarification on students, those who are coming from other countries immediately after May 3rd. Suppose if everything goes fine and as you rightly said, there will be 2 weeks of time for final year students. Yeah, suppose if the students are coming from other countries.
Are they not undergoing digital interventions?
Sir, they are going, but immediately after reaching here, so they may not come directly to the college. They may not come directly to the college as per the guidelines of government and all, quarantine period, etc.
Okay.
In such cases, because BMSIT has minimum 15% of PIO students.
Okay.
How to handle that situation?
See, what is the percent of students who have left the country?
Maybe some 5 to 6%, sir.
Okay. So now you must ask them to be ready for the examination, final years, especially final years. So when they get, they may not be able to get that cooling period. We don't know the restrictions at that time. Let's see. We will see that problem when, when we have restrictions. And since they are in final year, I think that cooling period, I think they have to study on their own.
Yeah, it is not the matter of study period, sir. They're joining to the college immediately, even if they reach Bangalore, will they?
Yeah, we will see those. Professor, I got your point. See, they may be under quarantine for 14 days or 15 days or whatever it is when they come back to the country. Okay?
Yes, sir.
That's your problem.
Yes, sir.
We have to schedule accordingly because we cannot leave some students to drop out of the examination system unless they are absent on their own. If they come back, we will definitely consider your case while accommodating the timetable. Yeah.
Thank you, sir. Thank you.
Yeah. Maybe we have to do it 3 weeks. Yeah, Elip, please.
Sir, namaskar.
Namaste.
Sir, namaskar.
Namaste, please go ahead.
Sir, you are cleared everything.
Okay.
Sir, am I audible?
Yes, now, yes.
Yes, sir. Sir, you have cleared everything and lot of information has been passed. And the most important thing is this is towards the uncertainties. You are given all the freedom to the principal to conduct the certain things at the college level, which can be definitely done. Sir, only one fear that all of us should be looking for is when the lockdown is revoked, whether it is 2 weeks for final year students or 4 to 5 weeks for other students, the apprehensions from the parents to send the children to the campus will be a big question, sir. Even soon after the lockdown is revoked. So in such cases, we need to be again prepared how we should be going about, like we have been doing now. We have been addressing the issues, we have been working, and academically everybody is engaged, they are doing their work. So how do we do, even if we don't get that 2 weeks or 4 weeks, it will be a question of concern, sir. I think that VTU administration and your kind self should be thinking about it and an alternative for that. This is a concern of the uncertainty.
Yeah, definitely we are working with, as I said, ifs and buts. So let us see, but unless you have some classroom interventions, I think it is difficult to conduct the examination in the present scene. Then accordingly the schedule may be slightly, we may have to readjust our schedule. So my answer is now finger crossed, because we need to have the guidelines from UGC and AICTE. So it all depends on what kind of directions we get from Government of India and Karnataka. So let us wait. This is only a tentative plan. Whatever discussion we have, whatever resolutions we are making today, as I said in the beginning, these are all only provisional. And we need to accommodate all the uncertain things before we take a call on conducting the examinations or conducting the classes. And also again we will have one more video conferencing, I think maybe sometime in May 3rd, after May 3rd.
Okay, thank you.
Yeah.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you. KS College.
Hello, good evening, sir.
Yeah, yes, please.
Good evening, sir.
Good evening.
Actually, the online classes are going on, and there are a lot of materials available for the students online. And even VTU has some initiative. E-Shikshan classes were conducted earlier. So why can't we put the E-Shikshan videos in the YouTube so that many students can get the benefit?
They are already there, Professor. All the E-Shikshana lectures recorded, they are all on the YouTube channel. 3,600, more than 3,600 video lectures are there.
They are already there.
And that has been shared. That link also is shared. Please visit our website.
They are all on the YouTube channel. 3,600
Please visit our website.
lectures are there.
Okay, thank you.
And it has been shared. Link also.
Ella college adu idiyappa Bhashan sir? How do you know they will rise or what? Okay, pop. Yeah, Sai Vidya.
Good evening, sir.
Very good evening.
Sir, I am from Coorg Institute of Technology, Pannampet, sir.
Acha, Coorg. Okay, yeah, please tell me.
Yes, sir. Thank you very much for clarifying most of the queries. So, since most of the queries were regarding the syllabus coverage and question paper, so I would suggest so students can have 5 modules for their exams and follow the old question paper pattern, sir, wherein 8 questions will be given and they'll have to answer 5. So that is my suggestion to consider. Please look into that. And one more request from the students is there are few new subjects in the second year, so they are requesting for model question papers. Kindly provision at the earliest.
Okay. I think yeah, some of my board of studies, BOE no, sorry, Board of Studies members and chairpersons are on the conference. So please note this for the fourth semester, right? Yeah, for the fourth semester, at least for each course, try to submit 2 model question papers. I request all the Board of Studies chairperson to note this and immediately the model question papers based on the syllabus and the scheme already prescribed.
Sir, good evening, sir.
Yeah.
Namaste, sir. Sir, just I want to present the grievances of the students which are admitted under KMSS scheme, those that belongs to JK.
Because of technical problems, the PMSS scholarship has been delayed, but they will be paid and it is continued.
Sir, there one more thing is regarding the online classes, they are unable to reach to online classes because in that JK they are connected with only 2G, and there is for that also there is more time restrictions. So due to that grievances, 100% they are not attending the classes. So regarding that grievances also, they have sent their messages through mail and WhatsApp also. And so we are unable to reach those people, sir, under that scheme.
See, you request your teachers to to have contact with, through WhatsApp only. Ask them to give notes, question papers, solved examples, or whatever. You have them on WhatsApp only. You send them on WhatsApp, and also ask them to speak to them.
Yes, sir. So they are interacting, sir.
Try to clarify their doubts. Okay.
Yes, sir. We are sharing only through the WhatsApp to those students, whereas other students, as we know that more than 50% of students that rural as well as remote area, so still they are facing this connectivity, that suitable devices, etc. So in spite of that, we are able to reach 50 to 60% an online class. So in addition to that, our college app, which was designed by our CS students in the previous year, so through that we have uploading our study material. So then we have connected that college app to our website. Through that, majority of the students, they are accessing that study materials.
Very good, very good. See, you have given both problem and solution. Thank you.
Okay, sir. Thank you, sir. Thank you.
Thank you. See, a general instruction to all the principals. Yes, the problem is known. The rural students are not able to use our digital forum so effectively as the urban students. And the average, as I said, university average is 70%. As my registrar mentioned, in the urban areas it is 80 to 90, some colleges 95%. But whereas in rural colleges it is 50%. So therefore, the challenge is how to reach those people who have not been able to be reached through the digital platforms. So that is the reason why, I've said you must reach them through WhatsApp or whatever mode, Telegram or whatever mode, and make available the study material to them. And each teacher should talk to them and clear their doubts, maybe in Google group or whatever mode or in WhatsApp group. Try to, clear their doubts in WhatsApp itself. So small queries they will have, some small suggestions they will have. So therefore, a little extra effort is required from the teacher side to connect with the people who are unable to be through platforms. So therefore, I sincerely request all the principals, instruct all your teachers to connect to those people and send some study materials through WhatsApp or Telegram or whatever mode you like to. And also, some of the colleges have done some peer grouping, in the sense that, they have selected some 10 to 20 best 20 students or best 15 students, and each student is made to connect with the 4 slow learners or their own classmates. Okay, so such kind of group will effectively work, and this leader or the peer student will have the responsibility of guiding them. So therefore, teachers can also, send some materials through peer group or these kind of students, and also ask them. Many a times, group study or students who work together will learn more than what it is expected. So it has helped us also. I think it will help the present generation also. So therefore, that kind of, somehow you must connect with the chain. You must bring them to your fold, to whatever, you can be innovative on this also. So the challenge is how to reach these students. That is the biggest challenge. So please try to use the new way of connecting with them, and you can devise. So that is the reason why I say that extra effort from the teacher side is very much required. So we all know that they do not have facilities. Okay, and also some of them may not be interested also sometimes. So therefore, mental health, motivating them and bringing them back to the learning mode, etc. These are all the challenges. All said and done, even the 80% of the students or 90% of the students who are attending the digital classes, do you think all the 80% will be 100% learner of what you are delighted? No, it is not. It is very, very challenging. That is the reason the governments are suggesting us to keep this mental health, various issues. If you look at the reports in media or in the newspapers, it is very, very strange. Some of the new theories, some new postulates are coming out of at this time of distress. So therefore, one side we are worried about our academic activities. The other side we need to worry about their mental health, their physical health, their resistance power, etc., their financial problems, their various other social problems. Therefore, this is where the university or the college or the administrators or the principals should make a difference. This is what I said. Togetherness is the rule of the game. Otherwise, we will fail. We will utterly fail. So therefore, you have to address these challenges. The challenges are not you and me and all the teachers, yes. But where is the solution? How to connect with them? How to bring them back to the mainstream? Yes, this is the challenge. So this is where your support is required. This is where the cooperation is required. This is where togetherness is required. Yes, please. East West College, yeah.
Good evening, sir.
Good evening.
Okay, namaskar, sir. So almost we covered almost all the points. Thank you very much, sir. Anyhow, I don't know the related or related regarding the admissions for next year, 2021. Already some universities, state universities, other deemed universities started conducting online exams and all. These are major question marks, sir. For UT affiliated, we are not doing anything. So any suggestions in this regard? So because the seats admissions for first year is very important. And this is the one major thing, sir. And secondly, the eligibility criteria for the students may continue, I think so, any changes in that regarding. And another one is the PhD curriculum examination may conduct online or what shall we do? Some of the students are waiting for the PhD curriculum, some other exams. What shall we do for that, sir? These are our different and all queries under your answers and clear all the doubts posed by the principals of various institutions, including autonomous and all affiliated institutions, sir. Thank you very much. Thank you, sir. We are conducting regularly online classes and all. Even we are following your guidelines and everything we are doing. We are sending the reports of counselor, mentoring system and all. We are calling the parents of the different, even remote students and also. And even WhatsApp groups we created. We uploaded all the material, including laboratory material and manuals, everything, sir. We appointed already for all the students, including rural, urban area, all the students. They are doing extremely well, sir. So thank you, sir. Please, thank you so much, sir.
Regarding this 2021 admissions, I think government also has not decided on when to conduct the CET examination or most of our colleges are expected to get students through CET or COMET-K or management quota. I think we will not have any problem in the sense that admission process will have its own schedule now because of the unforeseen changes or unforeseen things happening we need to have, only we will come to know about the admission procedure when government decides on CET and committee. So otherwise, I think the catchment area for admission under VTU colleges is only, most of the time Karnataka students, and only through committee and management few students do, definitely are admitted through committee to the various Karnataka colleges. So I think technically speaking, it may be delayed, but I think it will happen. It will happen. Absolutely, we will not have any issues. Regarding the admission pattern, admission pattern, I think definitely VTU colleges are much better, and the students will come through CET only. Even for the private universities, I think they are expected to share 40% of their admission through CET only. So therefore, the opening date or the admission process, etc., will be definitely controlled by Government of Karnataka. We need not worry about the final Viva Voce examination on PhD. So let us wait for this May 3rd. Afterwards, I think we take a call on this. We have already noted your points. Then maybe through digital platform we can conduct the Viva Voce if examiner is unable to travel or reach that place. Let's see. We will try to resolve this issue. Okay.
Thank you, sir.
Maharaja, how many are there? Yes, Dayanand Sagar, please.
Yeah, good evening, sir. Namaste. Most of the queries what the other principals had has been clarified. My only query is this CIE. Normally 30 marks used to be for the 3 internals and 10 for assignments. Can we make it 20 for assignments and 20 for 2 internals?
No, we will not amend any regulation, Professor. We can be soft on this.
It is left to the discretionary powers of the respective colleges.
Since you are going through digital interventions, you can conduct all these assignment tests, etc., MCQ or quiz.
As such, we already conducted one.
Okay.
And we are still on 24.
If you have some apprehension about their learning and making them learn, you can conduct one test during the classroom interventions.
Okay, sir. Yeah.
Okay.
That's it.
And
Sir.
also,
Thank you.
if you conduct all of them and finalize, also some of the colleges are little ahead. We have said yes. Only my request is assess them properly. Whatever
Yes, sir,
mode
that's
of
true.
changes, assess them properly. No problem. Be impartial.
Definitely, sir. At least for this session, we have the discrete reports of variation for assignments and
yes, please.
That's it, sir. Thank you. Thank you so much, sir.
Thank you. Oxford, yes.
Sir, good evening, sir.
Good evening.
Sir, after all these questions, there is one proposal which I had sent 2 days ago regarding an MOU with RGUHS. So I have mailed the soft copy to you and to the registrar, sir. Please look into this and take action so that we can do some meaningful research on healthcare.
Okay, definitely.
This has been sent mail to you, sir.
Okay, I'll look into it. Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Yeah, yes. My registrar has already seen. Architecture, yeah.
So very good afternoon, sir. I will not take much time because it's a very good interaction that has happened. I have only 2 questions to ask, 2 suggestions to make. One is all architecture schools have been adhering to everything that they are supposed to do in terms of mentoring as well as conducting online teaching learning. It is that we have requested for interchange between 9th and 10th semesters. Which I have sent through a written listing. We had 2 BOS virtual meetings this time, very successful, and we also revamped the curriculum of the MARC during this time. And after we discussed, this is what has emerged. Because practical training, nobody has got any jobs right now. So we thought now if we take up thesis, and next we can do the after things settle down. That is from, we expect the semester to start from September, sir. That is one. Secondly, we are happy that the exams are getting, hello, am I clear, sir? Hello?
Yeah, please, yeah. We understood,
And secondly, sir, we are happy and we presume that exams can be conducted only from August. We don't foresee a situation before that, and as plan B, which you have confirmed, and the plan B I would like to suggest, because we don't want to jeopardize the final outgoing batch, so we would like to be ready to conduct online exam for the 10th semester. They have just one viva to do for the 10th semester, that is the thesis. So if we can somehow manage, how it will work out, if it can be successful, then whenever, irrespective of this COVID, we can release the 10th semester. This is my only request.
Only viva was, is it?
Yes, sir, only one. So,
examiner one.
Yes, sir, one year external. Virtually external can come in, and internal also they can come. We can give time slots and do it. That's the only request.
We'll definitely see that. Regarding ABOS recommendation, we'll look into. We'll place before ABOS and AS by circulation and try to get their opinion and try to approve. Okay.
Yes, sir. That will be a game changer for us. It will be good. Yes, sir. Otherwise, thank you so much, sir, for the support in this time. All registrars and vice chancellors. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Ready to roll a questions, huh? How many are there? Good. Babuji will love it. Yes. Yeah, Professor Rushvendrappa will have definitely suggestions on examination system. Yeah. Hello, we are not audible, sir. You are not audible, sir. Hello. Professor, not audible. Hello. 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 You come back again. ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ ಫೋನ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬಿಡ್ರಿ. Yeah.
Hello, sir.
Hello, yes.
Good evening. Am I audible to you, sir?
Yes.
Good evening, sir. I had many
please.
questions in the beginning.
So, how many questions answered?
But
we are not able to hear you properly, Professor. Hello? We are not able to hear you properly. ಮೈಸೂರು ಮಹಾರಾಜ, ಇನ್ನೊಬ್ರು ಯಾರು ಕಲ್ಪತರು. ಕಾಲೇಜ್ you are audible, yes. Yes. PDIL. Hello. Some of you have audio problems. Please mail your queries to the registrar. City Engineering College, yes. Audio problem? Yes. Rajiv Gandhi.
Good evening, sir. Good evening, sir.
Yes.
Sir, regarding the e-Shikshana program, sir, it has been stopped because I am one of the coordinator in e-Shikshana program. I handle the e-transfer subject for 20-hour classes. That is completed and uploaded successfully for YouTube. And many queries have been asked by the students as if it is there on the line, and students are experiencing a lot of problem. Even the course material also uploaded. The thing is that the e-Shikshana program should be continued, sir. At least offline they have to conduct and then it should be uploaded, sir.
Yeah. Professor, the remaining part of it, please you record and give it to us as video lectures. We'll put it on our video channel.
So we'll continue with that. Sunday madam will discuss with her, sir. We will continue that program, sir.
Definitely.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir. Thank you. Thank you very much.
ಯಾವ ಕಾಲೇಜ್ ನೋಡಪ್ಪ? ಓಕೆ. Yeah, go ahead.
Yes, please.
ಕೇಳಿಸ್ತಾ ಇದೆ.
ಮಂಜುನಾಥ್ ಮಾತಾಡೋದು MUIT.
Yes, please.
ಸರ್, ಇವಾಗ ರಿವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂಯೇಷನ್ ಇವಾಗ ಅಪ್ಲಿಕೇಶನ್ ಆನ್ಲೈನ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಬಿಟ್ಟಿದೆ ಅಂದ್ರಲ್ವ ಸರ್? ರಿವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂಯೇಷನ್ ಅಪ್ಲಿಕೇಶನ್ಸ್ ಈಗ ನಮ್ದು 3rd ಸೆಮಿಸ್ಟರ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ 64 ಜನ ಹುಡುಗರದ್ದು ರಿಸಲ್ಟ್ ಡಿಸೈಡ್ ಆಗಿದೆ. ಲ್ಯಾಟರಲ್ ಎಂಟ್ರಿ ಅವ್ರದ್ದು ನಾನು ಗಮನಕ್ಕೆ ತಂದಿದ್ದೆ. ನಾನು
ಈಗ ರಿಸಲ್ಟ್ ಡಿಕ್ಲೇರ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಈಗ I had a discussion with you over phone. Afterwards, I had the discussion with the registrar. Your college has not conducted the internal examination.
Correct, sir. ಹೌದು.
So therefore, we will declare the result as F grade. So they must improve their IA marks next time. There is a provision in the regulation to improve their internal assessment, and they must take the exam again.
ಇವಾಗ ರಿಸಲ್ಟ್ ಡಿಕ್ಲೇರ್ ಆಗುತ್ತಾ ಒಟ್ಟಿನಲ್ಲಿ ಅವ್ರದ್ದು?
ಆಗುತ್ತೆ with F grade, because minimum is required for pass. So therefore, yes, since their internal marks is 0, they all get F grade now. So registrar
ರಿಪೀಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾಗುತ್ತೆ.
Yes, they have to repeat because they have to undergo internal assessment improvement and they repeat the theory.
ಇದೇ ಥಿಯರಿಗೆ ಇಂಟರ್ನಲ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಏನಾದ್ರು ವ್ಯವಸ್ಥೆ ಮಾಡಕ್ಕಾಗುತ್ತಾ ಸರ್?
ಆಗಲ್ಲ. See, no, this internal should have been. No, internal examination should have been before the theory examination.
ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಸರ್, ಇವಾಗ ಆಗಿಲ್ವಲ್ಲ, ನಮ್ಮಿಂದ ತಪ್ಪಾಗ್ಬಿಟ್ಟಿದೆಯಲ್ಲ, ಹುಡುಗರಿಗೆ ಏನಾದ್ರು ಟ್ರೈನಿಂಗ್ ಕೊಡ್ತಾರೆ.
And we cannot help. I have discussed, seen all the ways and means of resolving it. Finally, we have decided to convey this to your college. Yes, any other question?
So the student should again repeat the theory along with the internals ಮಾಡಿ ಮತ್ತು ಹೊಸ ಬರೀಬೇಕದು. ಈ ಬರ್ದಿರೋದು null and void ಅದು.
Fail.
Okay sir,
It's not null. Yeah.
Hello. Sir. ಇವಾಗ
result will declare with F grade. Because your letter has come, already letter has come.
ಇವಾಗ
Yeah, your
internal marks ಇದೆಯಲ್ಲ ಸರ್, ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್ಸ್ಗೆ ಈಗ ಕಂಟಿನ್ಯೂಸ್ ಇಂಟರ್ನಲ್ ಇವಾಗ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ ಆನ್ಲೈನ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ 40 ಮಾರ್ಕ್ಸ್ಗೂ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದಾ ಸರ್?
See,
ರೆಗ್ಯುಲರ್ ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್ಸ್.
for regular students, you have conducted already one test before lockdown.
ಕಂಟಿನ್ಯೂಸ್ ಇಂಟರ್ನಲ್ ಇವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂಯೇಷನ್ ಆನ್ಲೈನ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಲ್ಲ, ಅದನ್ನ 40 ಮಾರ್ಕ್ಸ್ ಇವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂಯೇಟ್
ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು, ಹೇಳಿದ್ನಲ್ಲ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು.
ಇಲ್ಲ, ಅದು 3 days ಇತ್ತು, ಅಷ್ಟೊತ್ತಿಗೆ ಲಾಕ್ಡೌನ್ ಆಗೋಯ್ತು.
ಟೆಸ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿರ್ಲಿಲ್ವಾ? Not even single test is conducted, right?
ಇಲ್ಲ, ಅದು there for 18, 19, 20 ಏನೋ ಇತ್ತು, 14
Yeah, like suggestion given to other colleges, you must follow the same thing and you can keep one test.
ಕಾಲೇಜಲ್ಲಿ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಇಂಟರ್ನಲ್ ಮಾಡಕ್ ಮುಂಚೆನೆ ಲಾಕ್ಡೌನ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ.
Okay. You conduct internal assessment through online. Keep one test pending. Keep one test pending. When they come back, you conduct that and complete. Hello. Hello.
ರಿಸೈನ್ ಮಾಡಿ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್
ಕೇಳಿಸ್ತಾ ಇದೆಯಾ ಸರ್?
ಕೇಳಿಸ್ತಾ ಇದೆ ಪ್ರೊಫೆಸರ್. You conduct online evaluation, keep one CIE pending. You conduct that during when they come back. It is only
ಆನ್ಲೈನ್ 40 ಮಾರ್ಕ್ಸ್ ಇವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂಯೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಬಹುದಾ ಅಂತ. ಓಕೆ,
I am telling you, you evaluate
for 40 marks.
Keep one test pending. You conduct assignment.
For the conducting after the lockdown.
See, you conduct 2 tests and assignment online. Understood, professor?
ಹೇಳಿ ಸರ್, ಕೇಳಿಸ್ತಾ ಇದೆ.
Conduct 2 tests and assignment online.
For how many marks?
You know better. Where do you want from my quote?
Correct. Oh, I understood, sir. Understood.
How many marks for 2 tests you know? How many marks for assignment you know? How many marks for 3rd test you know?
Got it, sir. Got it.
Yes.
Okay, sir. Thank you very much, sir. ಆ ಹುಡುಗರದ್ದು ರಿಸಲ್ಟ್ ಒಂದು ಡಿಕ್ಲೇರ್ ಮಾಡಕ್ಕೆ ಹೇಳ್ಬಿಡಿ ಸರ್.
Yes. ದಾವಣಗೆರೆ ಇರ್ತಾಳ್ರಪ್ಪ. ಒಳ್ಳೆ ಸಜೆಷನ್ ಕೊಡ್ತಾರೆ ಬಾಪೂಜಿ. ಅವರಿದಾರಿಲ್ವಾ? ಬಾಪೂಜಿ ಸರ್, ಆಡಿಯೋ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್, ಯು ಆರ್ ನಾಟ್ ಏಬಲ್ ಟು ಹಿಯರ್ ಯು. ನಾನು ಮಾತಾಡ್ತಾ ಕೇಳಿಸ್ತಾ ಇದ್ರೆ ಕೈ ಎತ್ತಿ ಸರ್. India Gate. Good evening.
Good evening, sir.
Yeah, very good evening. Yes, please.
Yes, sir. Sir, thank you for all your guidance, support and suggestions. We have been following them.
Yeah.
Sir, you yourselves are experiencing the quality of online teaching that can happen with so many interruptions, audio, video, so many problems. In spite of that, we have been managing the show. We have been able to reach the maximum, but there is one small community which we cannot ignore. So after the classes commence, I request you to please give at least 3 weeks for the final year students and 5 weeks for the remaining semester students, so that we can complete the formalities as much as possible, sir.
Okay. Well taken. So now my request to all the principal is please reach the unreached. ದಾವಣಗೆರೆ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ನೋಡ್ರಿ ಸರ್. Okay. I think we have no queries. We have come to the marathon session of this video interaction for about 2.5 hours. I think we have spent a very fruitful time, and many queries or these kind of apprehensions, anxieties, I think have been cleared. Now to sum up and summarize the whole issue, I request the principals and also I direct them to be very clear categorically while dealing with the students, and you must clearly tell them do's and don'ts properly, and depending on the normalcy and the period of after the lockdown period, the exams will be there, and whatever discussion which has taken place with the opinion of the various principals, the summary will be taken to the next bodies. I can say whatever resolutions or the decisions what you have made, and accordingly once the approval is sought from the body, these things will be implemented. And definitely we have taken a very fair look at the situation, and we have understood each other very well, and the colleges are able to cope up with the academic pressure as well as administrative pressure and social problems, etc. I really thankful to each one of you. And again, clearly when you talk to the students, when you deal with the academicians, you are always to be very careful. So therefore, one side we have the teachers who are well experienced, who are academically strong group, who they can help at this period of crisis. The second group is the students, so you need to take care of them, and majority of the students are able to take this load, but some of them, small percentage, like it varies from 30 to 50%, they are unable to. So therefore, how to make them competitive and how to reach them. Reaching the unreached was what I said at the end. So that has to be done by the principal. The second, the over the period of after discussion, so intervention after the lockdown period over is required. So only we will have final year first place and the rest the second place, and maybe 2 to 3 weeks for the final years and 4 to 5 weeks for the rest of the semesters. It all depends on how well we come out of this COVID-19, and a time frame fixed by UGC or the approval bodies or governments. These are based on those kind of things. So tentatively we have drawn up a plan of action or a map or road map for the next completion of this semester. Accordingly, we will have this plan. And also when we come back, even though we said 3 weeks or 4 to 5 weeks of intervention, definitely the working hours required to be additional working hours. You may have to work for more than 8 hours or 10 hours or something like that, including Saturday afternoon or Sunday morning. So therefore, a separate schedule of working hours will be issued to all the colleges when the lockdown is lifted. So that is very important. We have to work for more number of hours. This is what in short. So above all, as I said, the constant monitoring and also student feedback. One of the principals suggested, please take the student feedback, which will definitely help, is useful or helpful for our next course of action. I think this COVID-19 has made us to think, as I said, differently. Therefore, this digital intervention may coexist in future. The present generation are, I think, they are passionate about these kind of interventions. Maybe their learning capabilities have enhanced because of this. That we come to know only after this semester end examinations. That's one thing we have to very seriously think about. Some of the novel work what we are doing towards combating COVID-19, please carry out. Then you please think about very seriously to develop a comprehensive LMS for college or university with a group of professors who are expert in computer science and information technology. I think they can come out with a solution. The other interventions what we are talking about, etc. Please take care. CIE, lot of questions we are asking. So fairly is we have softened. That's all. We are not relaxing or curtailing the syllabus, etc., etc. You please try to understand the importance of CIE. Try to assess them impartially. Try to give some suggestion. Work to them, assignments, quiz, whatever it is. One, two tests. Some of the tests you have conducted. One you can conduct. So as a learning process to make them more active, you can keep one test pending. When they come back, you can conduct that test and try to complete the evaluation of CIE. That's one suggestion. It is only academic suggestion, so that the student will not miss out. When they come back, they are not serious. So that means when they come back, they will be very serious. Yes, there is one CIE, and that also helps them in their final semester and examination preparation. So basically, that 5 weeks or 3 weeks intervention is for preparing them for the final examinations during their career. So therefore, with all these kind of things, we will again come back to you after May 3rd if there are any changes or whether this plan is going to be the final one or this is only a provisional. Then what is the fine tuning of this? Based on your suggestions today, we have to fine tune many things. So question paper setting, we will go ahead with whatever pattern we have. Then we will see what best it can soften based on the learning which has happened. It is only based on the learning. We are not going to curtail do anything which is against the learning process. That is the intention of the university. So I once again thank you all for attending us, and thank you all for a wonderful interaction. I think we have a greater role to play, greater responsibility to play. Therefore, whatever interaction, whatever information you have, please take it to the level of professors, each teacher, and every one of you, starting from your technical staff or supporting staff. Everybody should know what is happening in this. So don't make any speculations, relaxations, this, that, etc. Because whatever we have decided, whatever we are planning to do, it all depends on when this crisis ends, when the normalcy is restored, when we get the clearance from governments to reopen our colleges, when our students and teachers will be back in safe campus, safe mode, safe environment, safe health conditions. So therefore, please take care. Those who have covered syllabus can expand by revising, solving the examples, etc. The whole intention is, it is not only to cover the syllabus or making them understand some few things for the examination, etc. No. Above all, there is a societal need of keeping our students at home, keeping our students academically connected and academically active. And that is one way of keeping their mental health very strong. So otherwise, it is very, very difficult. So again, you instruct your officers, your colleagues, your family, your students to follow the social distancing, make wearing the mask compulsory, and take care of your health. Let us first survive, then think about the rest of the things. So please join hands with the social workers, doctors, police, and the administration, with the government. Many of the colleges are doing social services. We continue. Our NSS volunteers are doing a wonderful job. As per the statistics I have with me, as Registrar pointed out, more than 600 students of VTU from various engineering colleges and architecture colleges of VTU are serving as the they are participating in the Seva work, and more than 100 teachers, NSS coordinators of VTU are working with these helping people, social workers. That's a good thing. And about e-platform, whatever e-resources, they will continue. E-section, still active. Some of the professors have raised. Please contact Professor Sandhya. She will be able to help you conduct classes. And whatever fantastic lectures, video lectures you have made on any particular subject, please make them available to your video channel, YouTube channel, what you have started, with a link to all the colleges. And sharing and caring, sharing the resources, caring about the health. As I said, again I'll repeat, togetherness is the rule of Secretary. So with these few words, I thank you very much, and please take care of each and everybody, and try to be very active and interactive with students, and plan for any innovative way of reaching those unreached students. And that is the main concern of you and me when they come back to college. So therefore, they must be aware, they must be very clear. And about the examination fee, etc., I think we cannot relax it, because we need to spend money on answer work, spend money on examination preparedness. We need to have money for paying the remuneration, etc. Therefore, no concession can be extended. Only thing is, we are not, this time we will not penalize them. I will instruct the minister not to have any penalty clause at all this time. We will give sufficient time. And about this revaluation, I was also discussing with Minister Evaluation. If somebody misses, let us say, during the process of 1 week or whatever time, somebody misses, when they come back to the college or when they reach, I think we will allow them to apply. Maybe it is taxing on us to take those papers again, reevaluate. Maybe by the time examination will come, and we wait for the result. Definitely they will pressurize for evaluations, etc. So that kind of pressure, I think, we will try to handle. And in the worst case, if they apply re-evaluation, if it is not declared, they will take the exam. Maybe it becomes null and void, and we refund them. Something like that. It has happened earlier. But we will not go to that extent. We will try to resolve issues. I think our examination center is ready to work for 24/7. Already some initiation we are taking. Of course, maintaining cleanliness, social distance, we are following. So with that, some of the essential workers need to work. So otherwise, the situation. I request the principal also, once the religion comes, maybe after 20th, you may have to work with one other, whatever, administrators. Maybe after we some of the culture will change. It all depends on the decision of the government and the direction from MHA. Let us hope for the best. So let us come out of this crisis. It is a crisis which is common across the globe, and I think all of us should work together to beat this situation and try to help each one of your students. Try to contact them. They may be missing in between. Please try to have group contact. Teachers have a major role to play at this time. And I request the management through the principals not to disturb the teachers with saying that no pay or those kind of things. No, it's not. Government has already indicated, AICTE has already circulated. That circular, I think we will share it with you. See that you are comfortably placed, and let us go on war mode to defeat the COVID-19 and keep good health of yourself and students, staff. So thank you very much. All the best. So let us hope we will talk in a better situation after the. Thank you.